Theta cryptographic money is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks right now experience the ill effects of unfortunate dissemination in less evolved nations, expensive establishment, and a unified gadget. Moreover, Theta considers the current foundation caught off guard for the developing requests that it will look because of the developing execution of 4 Kelvin, 8 Kelvin, augmented simulation, and other high-level turns of events. Theta was an ERC20 coin in light of Ethereum blockchain. Presently it deals with its own mainnet. Theta makes a distributed network that expects to tackle these issues utilizing the blockchain, which fills in as a motivating force layer to keep up with the persistent elite presentation of the conveyance organization. We should find out along with who is behind this venture and what the cryptographic money climate will mean for the cost of a coin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $0.98, and Theta is as of now position No. 51 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Theta organization is $975,784,176.47, with a market cap of 1 billion Theta. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Theta has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 6.5%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Theta has expanded by 20.72%, adding an enormous typical measure of 20 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Theta Organization costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Theta Organization will be $1.54. The greatest level that the Theta cost can reach is $1.77. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.58. Possible return for money invested. 71.8% by Theta value conjecture for February 2023 in view of the value variances of Theta organization toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.13 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1.02 and at $1.16. Separately, possible return for money invested. 12.6% by Walk 2023. Theta Organization Value Gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Theta cost in Walk 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.11, while the greatest could reach $1.22 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Theta organization may be around $1.16. Likely return for capital invested. 18.4% by Theta value estimate for April 2023. Crypto experts have checked the value vacillations of Theta organization in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Theta rate they anticipate may be around $1.20 in April 2023. It can drop to $1.16 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $1.28. Possible return on initial capital investment. 24.3% by May 2023. Theta organization value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The Theta cost will be exchanged at $1.25 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Theta organization worth to $1.33. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.21 in May 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 29.1% by Theta value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Theta organization costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $1.27. The most reduced and top Theta rates may be $1.22 and $1.39. Likely return for money invested. 35% by July 2023. Theta organization value estimate. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Theta cost will be around $1.33. In July 2023, the Theta organization cost might drop to at least $1.27. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.44 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested. 39.8% by Theta value conjecture for August 2023. Having dissected Theta organization costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Theta rate could arrive at a limit of $1.49 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $1.32. For August 2023, the Guaj normal of Theta organization is almost $1.37. Likely return for money invested, 44.7% by September 2023. Theta organization value gauge around mid-2023. The Theta organization cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.42. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Theta cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.37 and $1.56. Likely return on initial capital investment, 51.5% by Theta value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Theta organization worth won't dip under at least $1.42. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.63. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.46. Possible return for money invested, 58.3% by November 2023. Theta organization value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Theta costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Theta organization will be around $1.69, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.48. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $1.52. Likely return on initial capital investment, 64.1% by Theta value gauge for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Theta organization toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of $1.58 in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1.54 and at $1.77 individually. Expected return on initial capital investment, 71.8% by Theta organization value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Theta organization in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Theta organization will be around $2.23. The greatest expected Theta cost might be around $2.66. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.30 in 2024. Theta organization value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Theta organization in 2025, Theta is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $3.18 and $3.83. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $3.27. Theta organization value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Theta organization and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Theta cost could drop to $4.86, while its most extreme can reach $5.60. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $4.99. Theta organization value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Theta organization by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Theta costs are normal in 2027, $8.60 and $7.20. By and large, it will be exchanged at $7.40.